From smart devices to intelligent equipment, how connected are you to modern farming? AGCO is leading ways in manufacturing to simplify and advance farmers' yields through wearable technologies. We are improving quality by following step-by-step work instructions in weld, paint, and assembly. New hires are equipped with glass as part of their initial training.
Okay, glass. Zoom in. Okay, glass. Proceed.
While glass-prompted advanced final product inspections drive value to our distributors and consumers, glass allows us to collaborate and share with cross-functional teams in real time, with hands-free documenting capabilities.
Proceed. No. Take picture.
Glass, along with Proceedic software, will adjust the level of instructions given